Piper Hamilton here with another Canadian stock video. Ah! There's so many. Yes, there is. Gives you a great long time to watch. Okay, up next, it's from Walmart again with their great value. Inspired by, Portugal. And this is charcoal roasted chicken. Uyamba. Let's see what they taste like. Okay, not really like charcoal roasted chicken to me, anyways. Chip. Alright. Definitely good. Highly recommend it. Yes, I would suggest getting these if you have them in your local Walmart. They are good. So, thank you for tuning in. Remember to hit the like button, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that lovely stuff. And bye for now. God bless. Have a great and wonderful day.